We are at Cikarang Industrial Show, Indonesia, where we are having this Indian pavilion.
Namaste to everyone who has come from India all the way. I welcome you to the India Pavilion at the Cikarang Industrial Expo. And for me and for the embassy, it is a greater honor because we try very hard to invite Indian companies to participate in industrial shows across Indonesia. Many of them come to Jakarta, but coming outside Jakarta is very few companies. So thanks to Machine Maker for bringing you all here. On behalf of the ambassador, I would just like to read out his message. So the ambassador wants to wish the companies here success in their B2B interactions, and we hope you take back some business transactions. And besides that, we hope that you get an opportunity to network, to learn about Indonesia and its industry, and gather more knowledge. In overall trade, Indonesia has emerged as one of our largest trade partners in ASEAN. Last year, our trade was almost 40 billion, and machinery and equipment have been doing well over the last years compared to 2022 and 2021. So I believe that this sector has potential to contribute to the trade as well as to technology transfers and development and business collaborations for developing industries in Indonesia. I believe that the representatives of Indian companies coming to Indonesia will take benefit of this opportunity to explore and tap this market. I wish success to Machine Maker and the Expo and the companies that are participating at the show today. As a commercial representative, I get offers from at least one company every day from India to do business here or to set up rep office or to invest here. So Indonesia is happening. Indonesia is definitely a good market to look at. It also serves at the larger SEA or ASEAN region, and you can also look at selling to Australia or Japan, South Korea. So the opportunities are innumerable. Plus, there is a focus of downstreaming and industrialization in the Indonesian government's policy and vision for 2045 to become a strong developed economy among the top 5 economies of the world. India is well on its way over there. We are absolutely on top notch these days. So there is a lot of business collaboration that you will be very surprised to know already ongoing. There are 80 Indian companies here. 80 is the number that we have found out by reaching out to people, by knowing them. There might be more that we do not know, but I think 80 is a large number. And Ambassador always says that not even USA has 80 Indian companies there. So Indonesia is unique in its way. Apart from that 80 Indian companies, we have almost 300 diaspora businessmen from big names like Indorama, Lakshmi Mittal, who started their journey in Indonesia and became global companies, to smaller companies and startups. Many of Indians are running startups here. One of them was launched 2 days back, iMoto, which is now an Indonesian startup run by Indians. They have successfully launched their EV high-tech segment vehicle comparing to Yamaha's high-tech EV bikes. So we are doing well here. You're welcome to utilize this platform. And for anything, the embassy is here to reach out to you and to help you and support you. So please make the most of the opportunity. Thank you.
Indian people is very nice and very humble, expert, I think. He come to here, I'm very happy. Please come to Indonesia to promote your part, your product, everything in Indonesia. I think we can do about Indonesia and India more better and better. Thank you.